Dreaming of the ultimate adventure? Spain's scenic roads, historic cities, and hidden gems are waiting for you. Let us show you how to plan a road trip that will be as unforgettable as the destinations you'll discover. Let's hit the road. There's no better way to uncover Spain's beauty and charm than by road. Picture yourself driving along stunning coastlines, exploring medieval towns, and stopping at picturesque villages at your own pace. In today's video, we'll help you plan the perfect Spanish road trip, from choosing the best routes to must-see destinations and essential driving tips to make your journey smooth and memorable. Let's get started. Choosing the right route. The first step in planning your road trip is choosing the route. Spain has countless scenic drives that offer incredible views, rich history, and diverse landscapes. Some popular road trip routes include the Mediterranean coast. Drive from Barcelona down to Valencia and beyond, stopping in charming seaside towns like Tarragona and Castellón. The north of Spain. Start in Bilbao, explore the Basque country, and drive along the rugged coastline of Galicia. Andalusia. Begin in Seville, visit the stunning Alhambra in Granada, and end in the beautiful coastal town of Malaga. Each route offers something unique, so decide based on what interests you the most, be it the beach, history, or nature. Timing your road trip. The best time to go on a road trip in Spain is during the spring, April to June, or fall, September to October. The weather is pleasant and the tourist crowds are thinner. Summer, while great for beach towns, can get hot and crowded in major cities, especially in southern Spain. For a more relaxed road trip, avoid the peak tourist months. Renting a car in Spain. Before hitting the road, you'll need to rent a car. There are plenty of rental options available at airports and in major cities. Some tips for renting a car in Spain. Book in advance to secure the best rates. Check the car's insurance. Make sure your rental includes adequate insurance coverage or consider purchasing additional coverage. Manual versus automatic. Most cars in Spain are manual, so if you're not comfortable driving a stick shift, make sure to request an automatic. Road safety and driving tips. Spain's roads are well maintained, and driving is relatively easy, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Speed limits. The speed limit on highways is typically 120 km per h, 75 miles per hour, while on rural roads it's 90 km per h, 56 miles per hour, and in cities, it's usually 50 km per h, 31 miles per hour. Parking. Parking in cities can be tricky. Look for parking garages or free parking areas just outside the city center. In smaller towns, parking is easier, but always check for parking restrictions. Roundabouts. Spain has many roundabouts, and the general rule is that cars inside the roundabout have the right of way. Must-see stops on your road trip. No matter which route you choose, there are certain stops you won't want to miss during your road trip. Here are some highlights for each region. Barcelona. Start your trip by exploring the city's iconic landmarks, like the Sagrada Familia and Park Güell. Granada, home to the breathtaking Alhambra Palace. This city is a must-see for history and architecture lovers. Ronda. Located in Andalusia, this picturesque town is known for its dramatic cliffs and historic bridge. San Sebastian, a coastal gem in the Basque country, famous for its beaches and delicious pinzos, Basque tapas. The Costa Brava. Take the scenic coastal route to visit hidden beaches, charming villages, and crystal-clear waters. Accommodation along the way. When planning your road trip, it's important to consider where you'll stay each night. In Spain, you'll find a wide range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hostels and boutique hotels to charming countryside inns, known as paradores. Booking your stays in advance is recommended, especially in popular tourist areas. If you prefer a more spontaneous experience, you can always use apps like Booking.com or Airbnb to find last-minute accommodations. Food stops. Taste the local cuisine. One of the best parts of a road trip in Spain is the food. Each region has its own culinary specialties, so make sure to sample local dishes as you go. In the Basque Country, try pinxos, small tapas-style snacks. While in Andalusia, you'll want to enjoy a plate of jamon iberico or seafood paella. Along the Mediterranean coast, don't miss the chance to taste fresh seafood. And in Castilla y León, try the famous roast suckling pig, cochinillo. Pack smart and plan for the weather. The weather can vary depending on the region and time of year, so make sure to pack accordingly. If you're heading to the beaches, don't forget sunscreen, swimsuits, and light clothing. For the mountains or northern Spain, pack warmer clothes and a light jacket. Also, bring a good road map or GPS device to ensure you don't get lost. And make sure your car is stocked with essentials like water, snacks, and a phone charger. Avoiding tourist traps. While Spain is full of beautiful tourist destinations, try to get off the beaten path by visiting lesser-known towns and villages. You'll not only save money, but also get a more authentic experience. Don't hesitate to ask locals for recommendations, whether it's a hidden cafe or a scenic spot that isn't in the guidebooks. Enjoy the journey. Above all, remember that a road trip is about the journey as much as the destination. Take your time, stop along the way to enjoy the scenery, and immerse yourself in Spain's rich culture. Whether you're driving through the olive groves of Andalusia or along the rugged coast of Galicia, every mile offers something new and beautiful. And that's how to plan the perfect Spanish road trip. With these tips, you'll be ready to explore Spain's stunning landscapes, rich history, and diverse culture from behind the wheel. But if Barcelona is one of your stops, don't miss our video on Barcelona for beginners, what to see and do. It's packed with must-know tips and iconic landmarks to make your visit truly special. Click here to watch it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Spanish road trip destinations in the comments. See you in the next video.